Hi guys, it's Mrs. Kezior. I was just going to show you real quick how to access some of the questions for review for your homework. If you go to, you'll need to go into your grade book. So if you go into your grade book in My Math Lab, so click on a grade book. Now this is just a sample student, so I've only got one section completed. You guys are going to have all of yours completed here, but you're going to go into review. So if you click on review, what this does is it allows you to look at the homework questions that you've already done and review them without making changes to your score. So there are some homework questions that are listed to review for the final exam. So I wanted to show you how you find those. So when you go in here, for example, one of the questions is in 11.3 and it says question number 17. But if you look on here and you go into question number 17, it's going to be the wrong one. The way that you find it is that you just kind of float over the question number. And did you see that little thing pop up and it says 11.3.17. So that's question number 17 in section 11.3. So if we click on that, it's going to ask us to go to review our homework, which that's what we'll want to do. Now, when we go in to review the homework, this is the homework question that you want to focus on for the final exam. So there's 3 of them from each section. You'll also see right up here, you'll see the problem number show up here. So this is actually from the textbook. It's number 17 in the textbook homework assignments, even though, like I said, it was problem number 5 in your homework. But here's the question. I did want to show you that you can print these out. So if you wanted to print out the question without the answer, you could just go here, hit print, and you can print the question only, or you can actually print out the whole homework assignment if you wanted to. But I wanted to show you, you can actually go into view an example. And then here, go into question help here and print out the example. And it will actually print the question at the top and then the worked out problem at the bottom. So if you wanted to use this as a way to review, you would just print this out. And again, maybe just cover up the bottom part and then work on it. And if you need help, you'll be able to look up the answer. So that's how you would go to print that. So again, like I said, with if you're reviewing for the final exam, let me close some of this stuff. If you're reviewing from the final exam, the post-exam review questions are going to be here. So here's that one that I just found, 11.3, question number 17. So there's 2 other ones that you can look up. My suggestion is that you look through all of these and make sure that you can do all of them for the final exam. And again, I just showed you how to go and make sure you can do that. So hopefully this helps as you're studying. So let me know if you have any questions.